Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my mom is going to show all of us how to prepare this local Ghanaian soup with impunam, adjine, pork feet and the rest. It's super delicious. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and please don't forget to leave a comment for me. So without much ado, let's all get started and learn how to prepare this simple Ghanaian dish. So let's get started.
You can't
My I know what me issue. Aha, okay.
And I'm being at one in Mokonico and swing a boom. Never know, Sabaya, Nam the Bamery.
Okay.
So I'm not dear. Then I'm not all your
not into the content. Okay.
This
is where I'm being. Okay.
But you can't support to chew, so I move you a ball or a before.
Okay.
Maybe in some film.
Okay.
I dare go me that's him.
Okay. Very good.
Of course, you actually will hope you come.
Kobe tea.
I say. All in pretty snow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not toast.
Okay.
Dry meat into no say friends look crazy.
Okay. That's nice. Then the cut off now. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to matter.
I work on quite to see now.
I say I'm full. I'm not from control from.
You be con quite in street
this year. Somebody yes, no woman in the call.
Maggie. Okay. Okay. I'm in the broth for them. I don't know me we do man can the broth.
Yeah, we have safe and comes.
Okay.
I say baby.
Okay. And then the
yeah, all right.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Video over some cake,
yeah, because we get dry fresh, be a
dry meat. Okay. Go be next hour. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
you could.
You might come and say, yeah.
All the two quine man one, I have one said,
Never two quantity. We don't separate out any day. The two corner now when you're tasting me.
No,
open this way.
Okay.
The whole so you want to come out with a musa because maybe
Okay. Fine.
You give some maybe
Okay.
Man, look from Kakari.
Okay.
I'm quite about from Kakari, no. I drink a goom.
Okay, who knows when she's in now on find out.
I said,
Bell, no.
So the money in the end.
Okay.
Because I felt winter, you couldn't tell them.
Is it the chairman? I will not. Then they know.
Say they need him to
tomatoes. Hey, tomato paste. Let's say I'll be honest. Oh, fine. Okay. Effort pan. Bye. Bye. I'm helping Mom. This is a tomato paste that was in the freezer. I'm going to put this in. So let's do that.